The Salisbury development is a very exciting project for Bedford. It's 40,000 square metres of land and 20,000 build area. The two businesses that will be going into the site will be Dovetail Advanced Manufacturing and Cultivate Food and Beverage, two new social enterprises of the Bedford Group.
The project brief for the Bedford development was really about delivering the vision of Bedford and Leyton Property in the built form.
There's some key components to the development. There's actually quite a few different interesting zones within the design process. So there's a manufacturing facility out the back which is there to house some of Bedford's manufacturing processes that they run with some of their disability employment. There's a two-storey office to house their administration staff. Some really interesting elements to some of their side businesses, which include a food and beverage requirement, plus an interesting bakery that's come in quite late in the process.
There's a uniqueness in those elements coming together. This site will play a significant part in the life of the people who are working there and the people who interact with it on a regular basis.
We're engaged as project managers. We are dealing with a joint venture. I think when you're talking through joint ventures, some challenges that can come up are competing priorities. What we've been able to overcome is the difference between fit out, base building, and also to avoid abortive costs.
First and foremost, Bedford being our client, seeing them achieve an outcome which will see them occupying a first-class facility and one of its kind, not only within South Australia but Australia, is exciting.
The thing that sticks out for me with the Bedford development is the opportunities that are going to be provided to disabled people to join that working environment. For us at Lucid, we have a lot of strategies, but part of our strategic plan is to create a better world. And that really speaks to that. So being able to be involved in what is a really valuable development that's going to have great outcomes for less fortunate people in the community means a lot to us.
Being able to partner with someone like Leyton Funds and Leyton Property was important because Bedford wanted to not only be co-owners but also develop the property through a joint venture partnership.
We have a really good relationship with the Leyton team. I think what we love about them is just their authenticity themselves, the way they go about their projects, their real commitment to delivering quality, which is, I guess, there's some synergy between their business and ours, that they treat their tenants like we treat our clients.
Their communication and collaborative approach is second to none, and it just makes the decision making a whole lot easier at the pointy end of the negotiation when electing which direction to go.